you will find people that do not like you. And this happened with the best of people. This happened with the messengers, alayhim salatullah. There were people, not only they do not like them, there were people who hated them. They had enemies. They had enemies. But that's not the issue. The issue is how they were able to defend themselves from these enemies. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala taught them some words. With these words they were able to be protected from the shayateen of human and from the shayateen of jinn. This dua we learned tonight was the last words from our beloved Rasul Ibrahim alayhi salam as he was going into the fire. They made a pit of fire, and the fire was so horrific that if a bird passes half a mile away, it will get roasted. They took months and months to make that fire. And as they were throwing Ibrahim alayhi salam in the fire, he said this dua: Hasbunallah wa ni'mal wakil. Hasbunallah wa ni'mal wakil were the words that Ibrahim alayhi salam said. And because of these words, the nar became peace and cool. And because of these 4 words, when the Sahaba said these words, what happened? 4 words, 4 rewards. فَانْقَلَبُوا بِفَضْلٍ مِّنَ اللَّهِ فَانْقَلَبُوا بِنِعْمَةٍ مِّنَ اللَّهِ وَفَضْلٍ وَلَمْ يَمْسَسْهُمْ سُوءٌ وَاتَّبَعُوا رِضْوَانَ اللَّهِ. 4 things happened to them because of these 4 words. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent His blessings upon them. Allah's grace descended upon them. لَمْ يَمَسُّهُمْ سُوءٌ, no harm touched them. And they gained the pleasure of Allah Azza wa Jal. Hasbunallah wa ni'mal wakil. Anytime somebody commit dhulm against you, Hasbi Allah wa ni'mal wakil. Anytime you go to court and you're fearing the people, Hasbi Allah wa ni'mal wakil. What does it mean? Hasbi Allah. Allah is sufficient for me. Whomsoever put Allah first, Allah will put him first. وَنِعْمَ الْوَكِيلِ. And who could be any better than Allah to put full